Hi bro, do you know Popeye? What gives Popeye's great strength?
Spinach.
Spinach. Thank you. So today guys, we are going to see how popular Popeye is in this place. We're going to ask some students and people here if they have idea about Popeye and his superfood. What gives Popeye's great strength, bro?
Spinach.
Thank you. Do you know Popeye?
No.
What about you?
No.
Do you know Popeye, ma'am? Don't know. Okay, Popeye was actually a character that when he ate spinach, he becomes superhuman and have great strength. Okay, thank you. Do you know Popeye, bro? So, you know him.
Yes.
What gives Popeye his superhuman strength? Spinach. What gives Popeye his superhuman strength, bro?
Ang spinach.
What about you, bro?
Ang oregano guys. Sigarilyo. Ay, yeah.
Oh, no. What about you, bro?
Ano, ang ilamon.
Thank you. Do you know Popeye, bro?
No.
No. Thank you. Do you know Popeye, bro?
Peanut butter.
What gives him great strength?
Peanut butter.
What about you guys? What about you?
Peanut butter.
What gives Popeye's great strength?
Peanut butter.
What about you? What about you?
Peanut butter.
Tingnan bro, do you know Popeye? No. Do you know Popeye, bro? You don't know? Thank you. Do you know Popeye, bro? Do you know Popeye, bro? Do you know Popeye? Do you know Popeye?
Yes.
What gives Popeye his superhuman strength?
Ang muscles and ano.
What does he eat to become strong?
Spinach.
Thank you. Do you know Popeye, bro?
No.
Thank you.
Sa ano, kanal. Ang baka-baka. Nadali taas, Roy. Tawag niya ko, kung nalikong sa isa na sa tos mawulo is tubig.
Do you know Popeye, bro?
No.
Thank you. Do you know Popeye? Do you know Popeye? Do you know Popeye?
No.
No. That he was a cartoon character. You don't have any idea.
No.
Okay. Do you know Popeye?
No, sir.
No. Do you know Popeye, bro?
No.
Thank you. Do you know Popeye, bro?
Oh.
So what do you think gives Popeye superhuman strength?
Spinach.
Okay, thank you. Do you know Popeye?
No.
Do you know Popeye, bro?
No.
Do you know Popeye?
I don't know.
Thank you. Do you know Popeye, ma? No. Thank you. Do you know Popeye?
Spinach.
What gives him, bro? What gives him superhuman strength?
Eat. Popeye eat spinach superhero.
Thank you. Do you know Popeye? Thank you. Do you know Popeye, ma'am?
No.
Thank you. Do you know Popeye? Do you know Popeye? Do you know Popeye?
Why?
Popeye, you don't know him?
Vlogger?
Cartoon character?
That's ano na?
Popeye?
Ay, Popeye?
Do you know Popeye?
That's our Boy Scout.
What gives him the superhuman strength?
Nabi Josh.
What?
Spinach.
Spinach?
Spinach butter.
Where are you going, guys? Where are you going?
To the central of the Philippines. Because shut up.
What are you going to do there?
Medical.
Okay. Okay, you can go now. You can go. Thank you. Do you know Popeye?
No.
No? Thank you. Do you know Popeye, bro? No. What about you, bro? Don't know Popeye. Ma'am, do you know Popeye? Popeye, do you know him? Popeye? Don't you watch cartoons? Do you know Popeye? Do you know him? You don't know him? Okay, thank you. What about Bugs Bunny? You don't know Bugs Bunny? Do you know Popeye? Do you know Popeye? Familiar only. What about Bugs Bunny? You don't know Popeye? Okay, thank you. Do you know Popeye, ma'am?
No.
Do you know Popeye, bro?
Hindi pa ko na-ikot ko yun kayo pamudako.
Do you know Popeye? Popeye, do you know him? Popeye? What about Bugs Bunny? Bugs Bunny, you know. But you don't know Popeye. Okay, thanks. Do you know Popeye, guys?
No.
No? What about Bugs Bunny? Bugs Bunny, you know him?
Oh.
Only Popeye, you don't know. Okay, thank you. Do you know Popeye? No. Thank you. Excuse me, guys. Do you know Popeye? What about you? Do you know Popeye? No. Thank you. Do you know Popeye, bro?
Hindi.
What about Bugs Bunny?
Bugs Bunny?
But Popeye, you don't know. Okay, thank you. Do you know Popeye, guys?
No.
Do you know Popeye? Do you know Popeye, guys? Popeye, you know him? No. What about Bugs Bunny? No. Thank you. Thank you. Do you know Popeye, bro?
No.
Thank you.
Sa Ipan lang
Do you know Popeye?
Yes.
What gives him strength? What does he eat? No. Thank you. Brad, do you know Popeye? Do you know Popeye? Do you know Popeye? Popeye, do you know? Do you know him? Boss, I have a question. Do you know Popeye?
No, sir.
Okay. What do you know Popeye, guys?
No.
No, no, you don't know him.
No.
What about Bugs Bunny? You don't know him too. Thank you. Do you know Popeye?
No.
No. Do you know Popeye, bro?
No.
Do you know Popeye, ma'am? Guys, do you know Popeye?
No.
No. What about you, bro? No. Thank you. Guys, do you know who Popeye is? No. Okay, thank you. Do you know who Popeye is, bro?
No.
Do you know Popeye, guys?
No.
No. Thank you. So guys, here's a statue. I don't know what kind of creature is this. Maybe you could comment in the comment sections below what kind of creature is this. They made statue out of this creature. Do you know Popeye, bro?
No.
This is how lumpia wrapper is made. Lumpia wrapper.
Lagi.
Lumpia. Pop. Do you know Popeye, bro? Guys, do you know who Popeye is?
Yes. Siyempre.
What gives him strength, bro?
Ano, ang sardinas.
Okay. Thank you. Guys, I have a question. Do you know Popeye?
No.
No? What about Bugs Bunny? Thank you. Boys, do you know Popeye?
No.
No? Do you know Popeye? Guys, do you know Popeye?
No.
Bro, do you know Popeye, bro? Do you know Popeye?
Yes.
What gives him strength?
Spinach.
Okay, thank you. Guys, do you know Popeye? No. What about Bugs Bunny?